Look, let me paint a picture. It's payday. You open your banking app, and for about 3 seconds you feel rich. Then you scroll. Rent is coming out. Your credit card balance is still there. Your savings account says $412. And suddenly that paycheck already feels gone, if that sounds even remotely familiar. Yeah, you're not alone. Because for most people, money doesn't feel like something they build. It feels like something they survive. Every month is just reset. And here's the thing. Everyone talks about making six figures. Everyone talks about investing. Everyone talks about hitting $50,000 or $100,000. But nobody talks about the moment that actually changes your life financially. And it's not $50,000. It's your first $5,000. And today, I'm going to explain exactly why. Now, most people assume more money automatically equals more peace, right? Like, once I make more, I'll finally relax. But that's not how it works. According to the Federal Reserve, nearly 37% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing money or selling something. Let that sink in. $400. Not a new roof, not a medical catastrophe. $400. So when you finally build even a small cushion, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, your entire nervous system shifts. Not because it's a lot of money, but because it's the first time money stops being purely reactive. Here's the thing. When you have less than a few $1,000s saved, your brain is in survival mode, constantly. Every unexpected expense feels like a threat. Every bill feels urgent. Every paycheck is already emotionally spent before it hits your account. Psychologists call this scarcity mindset, and it's brutal. Research from Princeton shows that financial scarcity reduces cognitive performance